Hi everyone, it's Jared here from National Garage, here to talk about the Auto Openers AOTX4. The AOTX4 remote control replaces the PTX-4 remote control by Automatic Technology Australia. The AOTX4 remote control has 4 buttons, which means it can code into 4 different gate or garage door openers. It has a better than genuine 2-year warranty as well. Auto Openers is an Australian-owned manufacturer who make a high-quality range of garage door and gate remote controls. They're designed to replace every genuine remote control on the market. The Auto Openers AOTX4 remote control does not contain a button battery, which means it's fully compliant with the button battery laws that were introduced in June 2022. For a full list of compatible garage door openers and gate openers, check out our website. We list all the compatible models in our listing. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all about whether this garage door remote control suits your needs, or you just want to get in contact, feel free to visit our website and give us a call or send us an email. See you next time.